Tonight, a major shift that could bring more money and the commanders back to the district.
Yeah, that's right. D.C. Mayor Muriel and Congressman James Comer cooperating.
Our political and government reporter Leonard and Fleming has been following the story for us today.
Yeah, and Leonard, beyond the commanders, we're talking about opening the door to taxing marijuana sales.
Comer, who spent the time yesterday beating up the district on crime, says he wants to help the mayor on these issues. But there are some hurdles, and people in the district say they are not optimistic either.
The taxing of the marijuana, for example, I didn't know what the law was on that. We're researching that. I know that you have a lot of big issues coming forward, opportunities in Washington, D.C., a new arena.
Republican House Oversight Chairman James Comer signaling to Mayor Muriel Bowser he might be willing to work with her. Bowser wants to lure the commanders back to federally owned RFK Stadium, and she wants D.C. to sell and tax recreational marijuana.
That's something that we would pledge to work with you and your office on.
The mayor declined comment today, but after the hearing said
most of them have legal marijuana regimes in their states that allow for tax and regulation.
Legalizing marijuana has a serious hurdle in D.C., an 8-year congressional ban called the Harris Rider.
This is an indication that they wanted to lift the Harris Rider, then I obviously welcome that.
Norbert Pickett is the owner of Cannabis Dispensary in D.C.
The Harris Rider needs to be lifted in order for there to be significant change.
Elizabeth Hunter of D.C. says it all sounds too good to be true.
I just don't think that the Republicans are willing to really work with the mayor on these particular issues. I think it would do great. It would bring in more money. The mayor is talking about bringing people back into the city of D.C.
The recent sale of the commanders has spurred more talk, particularly on city council, about luring the team back to the RFK site. And district officials have estimated that the city could net $8.7 million a year on retail sales tax on non-medical marijuana if it were taxed. Comer's office declined comment today to say more. Reporting from the studio, Leonard and Fleming, DC News Now, back to you.